Hi class. So this is just a quick tutorial on how you can record a clip off of a DVD using the AnyVideo recorder I linked on the website. If you're using a Mac, you should be able to use the QuickTime up at the top to do a screen recording. It's going to be very similar to what we have here on a Windows computer. In AnyVideo recorder, I want to click over to the video settings. Typically, I like the 30 FPS and a 5000 bitrate. That's a little bit higher quality. It just means that your file size is going to be a little bit larger. So if you have a thumb drive, just make sure you have enough room to be able to bring it places, to school, to put in a presentation, etc. If it turns out to be really big and you don't know what to do with it, there's a couple of things we can do to try to make it a little bit smaller for you by changing the frame rate or the bit rate or trying to compress the video a little bit. But we don't want to get too complicated. Once we get the video settings set up, we can go back to general settings. The temporary directory is not that big of a deal. That's just where it's going to store data briefly as it converts the film or the clip. Output directory is just going to be where you're going to be able to find it. So put it in somewhere you're going to find it. I just have mine going to my desktop right now. Once that happens, you're ready to record. I'm going to click this record button and my computer is going to do a little funky thing because my graphics are off. But basically the same thing's going to happen, to just have it record. It's good to have your DVD or your clip already queued up in the place that you want it. That's just going to mean that you're not recording stuff you don't need. So have stuff ready to go, have your desktop cleared off, make it look professional. So I'm going to click the record now button, and this is where my computer does something a little weird, and you're going to just select manually where you want to record. So if you click that select manually button, you're going to get that red box there. And now I can drag this red box to where my video clip is, and all I really want is that clip. Right? I don't want any of the other menu stuff. So that's all set up. So I'm going to hit record on this, alright, and then I'm going to play my movie. And it's going to start recording it. And it's just a nice little clip from Annie Hall. Okay, so we got the clip. I'm going to stop the recording. Alright, I let the movie go because it's more about the recording that I'm getting. You'll see all these things start popping up. So with that, it popped up where my video ended up, and it's just titled video, and then this big old number. I can go in and change that. You can go in and change it. It's an MP4 video, so that's a pretty good thing. It's usable. It's just usable wherever you want. So here we have the clip. It plays, it looks good. Now I can do stuff with it. I can embed it in a PowerPoint, I can upload it to YouTube for use. Now I have this portable little clip that I can use in class. So that's basically how you're going to get your clips that you need if you need to rip them off of a DVD, or if you're streaming them. This works for both. So hope that helps. Again, check with me if you have any questions.